unfortunately, we have a little bit of restrictions.
Really?
So we can't do more than 150 kilometers an hour. Don't cross the white line. And the reason is we got faster cars coming on the right. So track rules, we have to stay within the white line.
Okay.
So we'll let the Mercedes go past, and then we'll carry on. Have you ever driven around Kalami?
This is the first time.
First time. It's quite a beautiful circuit.
It is, isn't it? Right? I've read about it.
Okay.
Very interesting races, very interesting crashes.
Well, if you race cars, you crash cars.
That's life. Do you have the green light to go?
Yes, we can go for it. And on the brakes, it's a bit of a tight left-hander. So just remember our speed limit of 150. So this is a corner called Sunset. So you want to stay on the white line. Stay on the white line. Start to accelerate now, hard. And then exit to the left. Braking for the right, hard. On the white line, when you get past the curb, start to accelerate. Now we're going into the S's. So you brake early and you turn in early. Turn in. Patient, patient, patient. Now you flat. Flat, accelerate, accelerate. A little bit too much curve, but flat. There's 3 trees. We're going for the tree in the middle, where the Merc is. Aim for the tree. Brake towards the tree. It's a blind corner.
Whoa.
Very good. Now we're coming down into, this was Old West Bank, we're coming down now into Mineshaft corner. This requires big balls. Brake a little bit, just a little bit, off the brakes. Brake a little bit, off the brakes. Don't accelerate, now accelerate. Aim for the cone, hard braking. A little bit harder, a little bit harder. Turn in, turn in, turn in. Straighten out, straighten out, straighten out, and accelerate. It's a big corner. Hard on the brakes. Sharp turn. And we pit.
Nice.
There we go.
Well done, sir.
So unfortunately we got a lot of people, so we're trying to run a lot of people in and out, so we restricted to 1 lap. But it's just a small experience to feel this tire on this vehicle.
Thank you very much.
Thoughts and ideas?
Perfect. Perfect. I need to drive a Golf.
You need to drive a Golf. I think you need to drive the Ferrari.